Hi, welcome to this week's episode of Learning with Lori. This week I thought I would talk to you a little bit about things that you can do to add value for your home. People immediately think about kitchens and bathrooms because those are the number one things that adds value and definitely attracts buyers to your home. But there are some other things that aren't quite as expensive and labor intensive that you can do to make your home more appealing. First and foremost, a fresh coat of paint. It goes a long way, makes it fresh, it makes it modern, and it just cleans everything up. If you don't have a modern backsplash, or if you happen to have the style that is dated, looking at them that they're older, changing out the backsplash can go a long way as well. Topping up the insulation in your attic is a good investment that you can do. Changing out your front door as well as your garage door are great investments that definitely add to that curb appeal as someone pulls up to your property. Going in and if possible, if you're doing renovations, making the rooms accessible for people as they're aging, or if you have elderly people who come over who have accessible requirements, making bathrooms that are accessible, kitchens that are accessible, just having doors that are accessible is something that will appeal to a lot of people today and going forward. A couple of other things that you can consider is your backyard, making your backyard a bit of an oasis for people to go to when the weather is nice, creating a deck or a patio, having some nice lighting back there, sprucing up the fence, sprucing up the landscaping can go a long way. If you're thinking about making a move and you would like more information on what you can do to your home to make it more appealing to a buyer, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Lori Roberts and I am a full-time real estate broker in Durham region. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.